How to enable Telegram sensitive content. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable Telegram sensitive content. First of all, open up the Telegram in the web browser. After opening the Telegram account, click on the search bar. Then search here for Nicegram bot. Now, go into its inbox and you will find their website link from here. After that, click to open its website through the link they provided. Once you get into its website, you can log in your Telegram account with them. So tap on Login with the Telegram button. For login, you have to enter the basic credentials and click to login. After that, you will be able to enable the sensitive content option. You can enable or disable sensitive content and 18+ content from here. Then click to save the changes you made. After that, get back to Telegram and click on Menu from the top left corner. Now, go into the settings from here. Then from settings, click privacy and security. You can also find the sensitive content option here. After that, you'll be able to enable or disable the sensitive content. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.